Are you torn between 3 commas and Pionex? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two popular trading tools. Both are designed to help you trade cryptocurrencies more effectively, but they have different features and benefits. Uh, 3Commas is known for its automation. It allows users to create trading bots that can buy and sell on their behalf. You can set different strategies and adjust them as needed. It also offers portfolio management tools which help you track your investments easily. On the other hand, Pinex is unique because it has built-in trading bots. You don't need to create your own. Instead, you can choose from a variety of bots that are ready to use. This makes it beginner friendly. Pionex also has a simple interface, which is great for new traders. Now, let's talk about the key differences. So, 3 commas gives you more control over your trading strategies. It's better for experienced traders who want customization. Pionex, however, is easier for beginners. Its pre-made bots take away the complexity when it comes to features. 3 commas offers advanced options like trailing stop loss and smart trading. Pionex focuses on simplicity with its user-friendly bots. Both platforms have mobile apps, so you can trade on the go. In terms of pricing, 3 commas has a subscription model. You pay monthly for access to its features. Pionex, however, is free to use, but it takes a small fee on trades. So, which one should you choose? If you are experienced and want to customize your trading, go for 3 commas. But if you're new and want something simple, Pionex is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.